Welcome students. Uh, in today's video lecture we will be discussing about an important property of metric spaces, that is Hausdorff property. The property is due to renowned mathematician Felix Hausdorff. This property originally tells us that if x comma d be a metric space and alpha comma beta are 2 points in that metric space, then you can always construct two disjoint open balls centering at alpha comma beta. Suppose in this picture capital X be this metric space and you are taking a point alpha and another element beta, then you can always construct two open balls like this which are disjoint, that is they have no point in common. Okay, if we want to prove this statement, then it is very much easy. See, if alpha equals to beta, then there is nothing to prove. Okay, so let alpha not equals to beta, right? Then d of alpha comma beta, since alpha comma beta are distinct, so distance between alpha and beta, that is metric alpha comma beta, always greater than 0. Now let us take a radius small r, that is r less than half of d of alpha comma beta. Obviously r greater than 0. Now we consider two open balls, or we can say that two neighborhoods, right? Neighborhoods B r alpha and B r beta. These are two open balls or two open spheres, right? Now we have to prove that B r alpha intersection B r beta equals to phi. Okay, to prove this we are taking the help of contradiction method, that is we assume that Br alpha intersection Br beta not equals to phi. That means this intersection contains some element. Let x belongs to Br alpha intersection Br beta. So obviously x belongs to Br alpha and x belongs to Br beta. Since in this neighborhood, suppose it is Br alpha whose center is alpha, okay, and if alpha is an interior point, then the distance between the points alpha and x obviously less than the distance smaller. It is obvious. So d of x comma alpha less than smaller and d of x comma beta less than smaller, right? Now from symmetry we can say that d of alpha comma x is less than smaller and d of x comma beta less than smaller. So by triangle inequality, d of alpha beta less or equal to than d of alpha comma x plus d of x comma beta, which is less than r plus r, that is equals to 2r. And since 2r is less than d of alpha comma beta from our previous assumption. See this one, r less than half of d of alpha comma beta. This was the assumption regarding r. So from this we can say that d of alpha comma beta is less than d of alpha comma beta. So this one gives a contradiction, which gives a contradiction, right? So we can say that Br alpha intersection Br beta equals to phi. So in this way we can say that we can have two disjoint neighborhoods or two disjoint open balls centering alpha and beta in the metric space. And always remember that Hausdorff property is true for all metric spaces, right? So it is an important property regarding metric spaces. I hope this would help in your further studies of metric spaces. If you like this video, then of course subscribe this channel and keep studying metric spaces as well as topology very well. Thank you.